Here I have TECLAST P20HD, and today I'm going to show you how to change screen timeout time on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the display section, and here you have this option in the advanced screen timeout. You can set it on 15, on 30 seconds, on 1, 2, 5, 10 or even 30 minutes, or you can just set it to never turn off the screen. I'll set it on 2 and we'll be glad with that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.